Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about WordPress. I got several messages from my contacts on my blog and other social media platforms that WordPress has become kind of quite very popular or de facto standard for creating blogs or smaller websites. Although personally I have seen many e-commerce websites running out of it. So, what a new programmer or a new developer should know about WordPress before they can really call themselves a WordPress developer or programmer. So, in today's talk, I'm going to list some of the things which they should know, and I'll be listing all these things as questions. I have published these questions on my personal blog zareef.com also. Here I'm going to repeat it for my video blog users. So, first thing, I think that you should know how to install WordPress. Yes, it is really easy, but you should know about it, especially if one of your application wants some customization in the installation process, maybe some default data for your new users, then you should really know about how to install WordPress and how actually installation process works in the WordPress. And you should know how to edit config files of WordPress if required. You should also know what normally can be edited. And how to install a plugin in WordPress, you should know about it. How to install a theme in WordPress, you should know about it. These are very common things, but you should get to know about these things. And especially, you get to know that how actually all these installation process works. So if something goes wrong with your installation, you can try to fix that. And you should know how to modify a theme in WordPress. You should know what are page templates in WordPress. They are really quite useful in customization of your WordPress themes, especially the display part of different kind of pages. So you should know what are page templates and how you can create or use a different template for archive or category page, or especially a different kind of post type, because now WordPress since many years has started supporting different kind of post types. So you should know that how you can customize their display using different template pages, and how you can use widgets, or how you can create widgets are some snippet of code using which you can create a block of maybe a dynamic content or a static content which you can display on different regions, or we can say different pages. And how you can create plugin, this is really necessary. If you really want to be a good WordPress programmer, you should know how plugin API works, how you can create a small plugin as well as bigger one. WordPress has been quite popular just because availability of lots of plugin in this ecosystem. And you should know how you can modify the content of a page or post. This is very obvious part, but you should know. uh, and how you can add something before or after a post or page content. You should really know how actions or filters works. So you should know what are filters, and you should know what are actions and how you can define callback functions on a particular action. How you can create admin menu using plugins, how you can edit the templates in online editor. I'm reading all these questions from my blog, which I have posted on my personal homepage. So if you really want to go through them personally, you can visit my personal blog page. I'll put the link somewhere in the description or maybe on the video when I'll be doing post processing of this video. So, and how you can edit the templates in online editor, how you can manage widgets, how you can manage users and their different types. We have different types of user like subscriber, administrator, and now we can also create our own type of users if it is required in our project. And how you can disable enable commands on a WordPress site or on a specific page or post. Especially you should know how you can do it programmatically, and how you can use OPML files. I'll not go into the details of what are OPML files here. Just do your own research. And how you can import RSS feeds, how you create custom meta tags in posts. Custom meta tags are specific kind of fields which you can add to any post or pages to add additional information on your content. And how you can manage user registration, means how you can add additional fields or how you can remove some specific fields if you are not requiring them. And how you can create private blogs or posts. And at least you should know 10 to 15 different plugins which can enhance or extend the basic WordPress functionality, how you can use caching in WordPress, and how to upgrade WordPress. This is really necessary to know how upgrade process works. Why it is necessary? Because a bad upgrade can overwrite your work if you haven't done your work in very specific or a precise manner. And how to take backups of WordPress using export feature and or any other available. Here I would like to mention WPCLI. Actually, you should know what it is and how it can be useful for you. WPCLI is a tool which you can run through the command line. This is really a kind of service which will be appreciated by users who are good at command line, and lots of things can be done using this one. And above all, you should know what WordPress can do by default and what we should not try to do with it. This is really necessary. Technically speaking, anything can be done with WordPress, but practically and architecture wise, there are so many things which you shouldn't try using WordPress. You should know about it. So that's all for this video session. I think I was quite detailed on these topics. I believe if you know about all these things, you can start classifying yourself as a WordPress programmer or developer. Thank you.